In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automatic matching in QuickBooks Online. If you've been looking for a seamless way to manage your bank transactions, QuickBooks has a nifty feature that will automatically match incoming transactions with what's recorded in your books. The process is straightforward, and in just a few steps, you'll be able to confirm matches effortlessly. Let's get started. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the menu on the left side of your QuickBooks Online interface. Here, you will find a series of options. Click on the one labeled Transactions. This is the hub of all your financial activities, and from here, you can access various features that make managing your finances a breeze. Once you click on Transactions, you should then look for and select the Bank Transactions tab. This is where the magic of automatic matching happens. The great thing about QuickBooks Online is that the automatic matching feature is already enabled for you. This means less time fiddling with settings and more time focusing on confirming your matches. With this feature, QuickBooks proactively tries to match your bank transactions with what's recorded in your accounts. Upon entering the Bank Transactions tab, you will be presented with a list of transactions that require your review. Think of this list as your personal assistant, neatly organizing all your transactions in one place, waiting for your go-ahead. To confirm a match, simply find the transaction you're reviewing and click on the Match option. It's that simple. With just a click, QuickBooks matches the transaction to your records, keeping everything tidy and up to date. Essentially, QuickBooks does the heavy lifting by analyzing the details on both sides and lining them up for you. This feature isn't just about convenience. It enhances accuracy in your financial record keeping, reducing the potential for forgotten transactions or errors. It's worth noting that if QuickBooks ever makes a suggestion that you're unsure about, you still have full control to investigate further before confirming, ensuring you maintain confidence and accuracy in your financial management. And that's pretty much it. With just a few clicks, using QuickBooks Online's automatic matching feature has made managing your bank transactions incredibly straightforward. Spend less time worrying about the nitty-gritty and more time focusing on what truly matters for your business. As you continue to use QuickBooks, you'll appreciate the time saved and the clarity it brings to your financial overview. So, go ahead, embrace this feature, and watch as your financial management becomes more effortless than ever before. Thank you for joining in today, and happy matching.